family, this is Sugar from c.wsugarinspirations&designs. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my chimney, also lighting a fireplace for the very first time. I'm very excited about that. I've never lit a fireplace and I've never had an encounter with a chimney sweep. So I had an actual chimney sweep from Chimney Pros here in my town. The technician, she actually came out and she gave me some tips on how to keep my fireplace clean and clear of debris. Also, how to add a glass door to the fireplace that is not there, you can see. And also just some on how to open up the flute, how to see the serial number where I can add a different insert if I needed to. So it's really exciting. So I'm going to share that with you today. So before we get started, welcome back to my channel, everybody. Thank you for celebrating with me last week. I am pretty excited about that. Thank you for coming along, for coming on board. You are welcome. So let's get started. So family, here's the huge vacuum. We're gonna get started with the cleaning. Don't have glass doors, but I do have 4 holes to put glass doors on. Right here is where I can see my model number and the insert. This actual insert can be reordered, which I'm probably going to do, but it's not bad. The chimney sweeper said that I had a small hairline crack in the back, which is okay for now. And the reason is because this grate doesn't have these prongs on both sides. So I'm gonna have to get a new one. I searched high and low and no one had it ever because of the cold snap. All the inventory was gone. That's okay. I'm gonna just put a few logs and not the whole lot, because when it hits the back of the wall, that's when it creates a crack. So I'm gonna do that for the next fire setting, but at least I wanna get the fire set today. And here's the little screen. It'll keep logs from rolling out. Plus I have a bigger one that goes right here on the hearth. I'll show you that. This is super heavy. That's what I'll be using. So I'm gonna get started because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm gonna time lapse it and get this going. So before I get started, I'm going to use 4 of these logs. I'm going to do 2 long ways and then the opposite way. I broke off from one of the logs. They have the little pieces to make kindling. So I have these 4 pieces to put in. And then it came with little pieces for kindling. So I think it's pretty cool. It's all supposed to be self-sufficient. And again, it's the Green Mountain firewood sold at Home Depot. It's real wood made better, and it's real wood, no smoke. Burns 2 to 3 times longer than cord wood. I have no idea, but makes 2 fires, lasts up to 5 hours. So we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to put it on the time lapse. Okay, guys. Okay, so well, it's burning. I put the logs on backwards because the grates, the spacing was too big. I needed larger pieces of wood, for these were small, so I definitely have to get that new grate. Um, I was happy to see the flame catching on the other side, and it got quite the blaze. But yeah, I definitely need a smaller grate, one with netting, not netting, of course it's going to be all steel, but I need something to catch the planks because they're small, and maybe add regular wood as well. So let's look at the fire. It's growing. I'm excited. So thank you for watching, family. I had a great fire. I watched it to the end. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the evening. Bye-bye.